Hey guys, it's me T. Welcome back to my channel. I'm using a filter because I feel like I look a mess. Today I'm gonna be doing a McDonald's mukbang. McDonald's because it's beside my job. I got me an apple pie, a hash brown, and a bottle of water. I always get the same thing because, yeah, I don't eat meat. Well, I do eat meat, but only fish and like seafood. Because I'm pescatarian. What I do is I get my hash brown. I put a lot of ketchup on the part that I'm about to eat. I love ketchup. And then I put salt. But not too much because I don't want it to be too, well, I guess I did put a lot that time, but that's how it looked. And then you see how the apples look? It's a big apple right there. And the crust. The crust is so flaky. Got my last piece. Open the ketchup. I always get 3 ketchups. Put a little bit of salt on in. Excuse me. Oh, so good. So usually I really don't eat McDonald's anymore. Every now and then I will go get a fish sandwich from there and some fries, but I don't even do that much because McDonald's is pure disgusting. But if I'm craving some fries or something like that, I would go. And I like their Cokes. Their Cokes are strong. So, they're strong. Yeah. I don't know. Like, every time I go to McDonald's for breakfast, I get a hash brown and an apple pie. And I'm really full off that. So, yeah. I know y'all probably like, what she mean McDonald's disgusting? I just saw her eat the whole, crush it, like, you know. It was because McDonald's breakfast is okay. But like I said, I don't eat meat. So, I mean, I'm pescatarian. I only eat fish. So, I mostly like going to eat places that have like shrimp and grits or like some type of fish as my meat, or I just don't eat meat period. I just eat like potatoes. I don't eat eggs, but I eat potatoes. I do like grits. I like oatmeal. My boyfriend don't, but I do. And pancakes and bread. And what else do I like? I forgot. And this water, I'm forcing myself to drink this water. I'm really forcing myself because I don't really drink water a lot. But I'm trying to. I'm trying to start. But anyway, what time is it? 9:07. I gotta be at my job, back in my job. So I'm about to end this video. If you would like to see more mukbangs, let me know. I'm like a seafood girl, so I can do a seafood mukbang next. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. No, for real. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn them notifications on, and share my video. If you'd like to see more like this, let me know. Love you guys.